Good morning students. Today we are starting with the question number 11 of exercise 4C. Question number 11 is how many pieces of tape 3 whole 4/7 centimeter long can be cut from the long tape which is 1 meter 75 centimeter. That means this 1 meter 75 centimeter is the total length of the tape. Right? Total length of the tape is 1 meter 75 centimeter. If you will convert it into the centimeter, you know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, right? So 1 meter 75 centimeter will be 175 centimeter, right? So this is 175 centimeter. They said how many pieces of tape 3 whole 4/7 centimeter long. That means इस लेंथ के कितने पीसेस कट किए जा सकते हैं. They are asking for the number of pieces and the length of each piece. हर एक पीस की लेंथ क्या है? 3 whole 4/7 centimeter. This is the mixed fraction. You can change it into the improper. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25/7 centimeter. Right? Now to find the number of pieces, you will divide the total length of the tape which is 175 centimeter by the length of each piece which is 25/7 centimeter. Now in rational numbers, how do you divide? First rational number you write the same, replace the division sign by the multiplication and then write the reciprocal of the next rational number. Reciprocal of 25/7 is 7/25 and centimeter will be in denominator because firstly it was in numerator na, so its reciprocal will be 7/25 centimeter. Now centimeter to centimeter cancel out because this is in numerator and this is in denominator. Now 25 sevens are 175. So what you are getting? In numerator you have 7 multiplies 7, right? Which means 49. So 49 pieces can be cut. This is your answer. Next, the question number 12. The cost of 5 whole 1/3 meters of cloth is this. They have given the cost of 5 whole 1/3 which is 85 whole 1/3 rupees. They are asking for the cost of per meter. Per meter means 1 meter का cost पूछा है तो आप क्या करेंगे? To find the cost of 1 meter, you will divide the total cost this by total cloth which is 5 whole 1/3, right? Total price को total cloth से divide कर देंगे, then we will get the price of 1 meter cloth. You will divide it yourself. You know how to divide rational numbers. Next question, question number 13. Express each of the following rational numbers as a decimal. Decimal में convert करना है. 1/4 means divide 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4 is not possible. So I am taking here 4 zeros are 0. आप ना जाने की 0 भी लगा सकते हैं. But to avoid mistakes I am using 4 zeros are 0. Subtract 1. You don't have any other digit to copy down. So put decimal and take 1 0. Decimal means आपको एक 0 बोनस मिल गया. अब किसी भी स्टेप में आप एक 0 खुद से इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं आफ्टर डेसिमल, राइट? 4 2s are 8. Subtract 2. You don't have any other digit and you already have put decimal. Decimal put किया हुआ है. So you can put 1 0 because this is your bonus. 4 5s are 20. So what you are getting? You are getting 0.25. Right? This is your answer. Next, fourth part, you want to convert -9/40 in decimal, right? सो फर्स्टली अवॉइड दिस माइनस साइन को अवॉइड करते हैं. सिंपली वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस 9/40 into the decimal, right? So convert it, divide 9 by 40. 40 ones are 40 is not possible, so you will take 40 zeros are 0. Subtract 9. You don't have any other digit to copy down, so put decimal and take 0 as bonus. 40 twos are 80. Subtract 10. Already have decimal, so you can take 0 as bonus. 40 twos are 80. Again subtract 20. You have decimal, so you can take 0 as bonus. 45s are 200. So what you are getting now? You are getting 0.225. This is the value of 9/40. But we also have minus sign outside the bracket. So this is equals to minus 0.225. This is your answer. Next part, fifth part is divide 35 numerator by 16. 16 twos are 32. Subtract 35 minus 2 is 3. You don't have any other digit to copy down, so put decimal and take 1 0. 16 ones are 16. Subtract 14. You don't have any other digit to copy down and you already have taken decimal point, so you can put 0 here. Why? Because you have 0 as bonus. Decimal के बाद हमें एक 0 का bonus मिल जाता है. Clear? So 16 8s are 128. Subtract it. 10 minus 8 2. 3 minus 2 1. You don't have any other digit, so you can take 0 because you have 0 as bonus. 16 7s are 112. Subtract 10 minus 2 is 8 and 1 minus 1 0. You don't have any other digit and you already have taken decimal, so you can put 0. 16 5s are 80. Subtract. So what is your answer? Your answer is 2.1875. Right? This is your answer. Next, question number 14. Express each of the following as a decimal as far as 3 decimal places. This is quite similar to the previous one, but difference is now they said as far as 3 decimal places. हमें कहाँ तक वैल्यू निकालनी है? 3 decimal places तक निकालनी है. अब इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? 3 decimal places तक अगर वैल्यू निकालनी है, we will find for the 4 decimal places. 4 decimal places पर निकाल कर देन हम उसको 3 places पर राउंड ऑफ करेंगे to find the nearest value, right? So firstly, as you have done in previous question, divide the numerator by denominator. 9 zeros are 0. Subtract 2. Put decimal. Take 0. 9 twos are 18. Subtract 2. You already have decimal, so you can take 0. 9 twos are 18. Subtract 2. You can take 0 as bonus. 9 twos are 18. Subtract 2. Again you can take 0 as bonus. 9 twos are 18. Right? Subtract 2 and it will go on up to the infinity. Right? So you have 0.2222. This is up to the 4 decimal places, but you want to find the answer to 3 decimal places. This is the 3rd decimal place, so you will round off here. आप यहाँ पर राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. सो राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? आप उसके राइट प्लेस को चेक करते हैं. राइट? सो दिस इज स्मॉलर देन 5. अगर 5 से स्मॉल होता है, सो it becomes 0 and this remains same, so it will be 0.2220. and in decimal number if you have 0 at the end, it doesn't make any change. So we can write it as 0.222. So this is your answer. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप 4 प्लेसेस तक निकालें फिर राउंड ऑफ करें. आप सिंपल चाहे तो 3 प्लेसेस तक भी निकाल सकते हैं. आपकी बुक में ऐसे ही किया हुआ है. बट टू फाइंड द मोर एक्यूरेट आंसर वी आर फाइंडिंग अप टू द 4 डेसिमल प्लेस एंड देन वी आर राउंडिंग ऑफ टू द 3 डेसिमल प्लेस. नाउ डिवाइड द न्यूमरेटर 602 by the denominator 31. 31 ones are 31, subtract 29, copy down the next digit which is 2. 31 nines are 279, subtract 13. You don't have any other digit, so put decimal and take 1 0. 31 fours are 124, subtract 60. 31 ones are 31, subtract 29, take 0 as decimal. 31 nines are 279, subtract 11, take 0 as bonus. 31 threes are 93, subtract 17. Right? Now we have calculated in decimal form to the 4 decimal places. हमने 4 decimal places तक वैल्यू निकाली है 19.4193. But they are asking for the value up to the 3 decimal places. So this is the 3 decimal place. We will round off at this place. Check the right digit. Right digit is smaller than 5. So it will become 0 and this will remain same. So what it be? 19.4190. And in decimal chapter also you have studied, if you have 0 at the end in decimal number, it doesn't make any change. So this is equals to 19.419. This is your answer. Next question is minus 9 whole 11 upon 21. Right? You have 2 methods to do this. First step, put the minus sign outside the bracket. Firstly, we will solve the part which is inside the bracket. अब this is 9 whole 11 upon 21. आपके पास 2 मेथड हैं. या तो आप इसको क्या करो, मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है, इसको इम्प्रॉपर में चेंज करो, 9 को 21 से मल्टीप्लाई करके देन 11 ऐड करके तब उसको डिवाइड करो. या फिर 9 whole 11 upon 21 इज ऑल्सो इक्वल्स टू 9 प्लस 11 upon 21. दोनों सेम ही है. राइट? तो हम 9 whole 11 upon 21 को और कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 9 plus 11 upon 21. इससे क्या होगी, कैलकुलेशन रिड्यूस हो जाएगी. नाउ यू विल सॉल्व दिस पार्ट. 11 upon 21 को डेसिमल नंबर्स में चेंज करते हैं टू दी 3 decimal place. राइट? सो 21 ones is not possible. यूज 21 zeros are 0, subtract 11, put decimal, take 0. 21 fives are 105, subtract 5, take 0 as bonus. 21 twos are 42, subtract 8, take 0 as bonus. 21 threes are 63, subtract 80 minus 13 is 17, take 0 as bonus. 21 eights are 168, subtract 2. Now we don't need to calculate it further because we have calculated till the 4 decimal places. Now this is up to the 4 decimal place, but we want to calculate to the 3 decimal places. So we will round off at this place. Check the right digit. Right digit is greater than 5 now. So this 3 will be increased by 1. So it will become 0.524 and this 8 will be replaced by 0. Now in decimal numbers, if you have 0 at the end, it doesn't make any change. So this is equals to 0.524. So right here 9 plus value of this to the 3 decimal place is 0.524. Add them, you know this is the integral part and this is also integral part. डेसिमल से जो पहले पार्ट होता है दैट इज इंटीग्रल पार्ट, होल नंबर होता है, राइट. दिस इज ऑल्सो होल नंबर, सो एड बोथ द होल नंबर्स. 9 + 0 9.524. So your answer is -9.524, right? This is your answer. Students, it may possible कि आपकी बुक में -9.523 given हो, but the more accurate answer is -9.524, right? Now the next question, question number 15. Express each rational number as a fraction in simplest form. पहले तो उन्होंने बोला है fraction की form में लिखना है, so let's write it. The number given here is 0.015. Remove decimal, put 1 in denominator. After decimal we have 1, 2, 3 digits. So we will put 3 zeros in denominator, right? So this is equals to 15 upon 1000. This is in the form of fraction, but they said simplest form. What is simplest form? Numerator and denominator should not be divisible by any same number. If they are divisible, cut them, reduce them to the lowest term, right? This numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 5, so cut them. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 0 0. So this is equals to 3 upon 200. This is your answer. Fourth part, they have given -129.6. Firstly, write it into the form of fraction. Remove this decimal, put 1 in denominator. After decimal we have only one digit, so put 1 0 here in denominator, right? Now this is equals to -1296 upon 10. Here numerator and denominator both are divisible by 2, so cut them. -2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. Now this is equals to -648 upon 5. Now the numerator and denominator are not divisible by any same number. It means this rational number is in simplest form. Next question, question number 16. List 3 rational numbers between -2 and -1. They have given -2 and -1. First of all, to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers, make sure their denominator should be same. Here denominator is equal, it means denominator is 1 in both the numbers, right? We can put 1 here. Now check the numerator. Do we have 3 integers between -2 and -1? No, -2 and -1 are consecutive numbers, consecutive integers. So we don't have integers between these two integers. So we will multiply numerator and denominator in such way that we get enough numbers, required numbers between the integers, right? So now we will do here, we will multiply the denominator as well as numerator by same number. You can multiply with any number, right? Now check, it becomes 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4. This is 4 1s are 4, minus sign, 4 1s are 4. Now check the numerators again, -8 and -4. Do we have 3 integers between them? -4 और -8 के बीच में क्या 3 integers है? Yes, -4, -5, -6, -7, right? -5, -6, -7, -4 and -8 के बीच में 3 integers हैं, right? And इन्होंने 3 ही rational number पूछे थे. So put the denominator 4, 4, 4. So we have these 3 rational numbers between -2 and -1, right? You can also write it as 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So between -2 and -1 we have -7/4, -3/2 and -5/4. These three rational numbers. Next question number 17, list 5 rational numbers. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला है? 5 rational numbers. So firstly write first rational number -4/5 and here second rational number -2/3. First step is to make their denominators same. First step में आप क्या करेंगे? डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाएंगे. So take the LCM of these denominators. LCM of 5 and 3 will be 15. So make the denominator 15. 5 3s are 15. So multiply numerator also by 3. 3 5s are 15. So multiply numerator also by 5. So what it becomes? 4 3s are 12 of minus sign upon 15 and it becomes 5 2s are 10 of minus sign upon 5 3s are 15. Now you want to find 5 rational numbers. So check the numerators -12 and -10. -12 और -10 के बीच में कितने इंटीजर्स आते हैं? -10 -11 only one integer ही आता है. So we cannot find 5 rational number like this. So what we will do here, we will further multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, right? किसी नेक्स्ट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक करते हैं. 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. आपको बस ये चेक करना है जितने भी रेशनल नंबर पूछे हैं उतने इंटीजर्स न्यूमरेटर के बीच में आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे हैं और डिनोमिनेटर शुड बी इक्वल, राइट? नाउ इट बिकम्स 12 3s are 36 of minus sign, 15 3s are 45. This one 10 3s are 30 of minus sign, 15 3s are 45. Now check the numerators. अब न्यूमरेटर्स को चेक करते हैं. क्या 5 इंटीजर्स आ रहे हैं न्यूमरेटर्स के बीच में? -31, -32, -33, -34, -35. Yes, we are getting 5 integers between -30 and -36, which are -31, -32, -33, -34, -35, right? So we can find easily 5 rational numbers. Put the denominator, which was 45. These can be the 5 rational number between them. But as you can see, in some rational numbers, numerator and denominator are divisible by same number. So you can cut them. 5 7s are 35, 5 9s are 45. So minus 7/9. One rational number. Second is not divisible by any same number, so it will remain same, -34/45. Third divisible by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 of minus sign, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So third is -11/15. Next rational number will remain same because numerator and denominator are not divisible by any same number. Next is also same, -31/45. So we have these 5 rational numbers between -4/5 and -2/3. Students, one more thing, you can find so many rational numbers between two rational numbers. So when we find rational number between two any given rational numbers, your answer may vary. आपके answers different आ सकते हैं. So don't get confused. Just follow the simple rules. Next, find 10 rational numbers between -3/11 and 8/11. Now if you observe that denominators are already same, denominator पहले से ही same है, no need to make the denominator same, right? And they're asking for 10 rational numbers between them. So firstly you will check the numerators. -8. आप चेक करो क्या -3 और 8 के बीच में 10 इंटीजर्स आते हैं. चेक करो. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? -3 is already given, 8 is already given, right? So count these integers which we have found between these given integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we are getting 10 integers between them. So we can easily find the 10 rational numbers between them, right? So first rational number was -3 upon 11 and the next rational number was 8 upon 11. Between them we have -2 upon 11, -1 upon 11, 0 upon 11, or you can write 0 because 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे it will remain 0. 1 upon 11, 2 upon 11, 3 upon 11, 4 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 6 upon 11, 7 upon 11. So we have these 10 rational numbers between -3 upon 11 and 8 upon 11. You can find so many more, but for now this is the easiest one. So students, in this class we have discussed from question number 11 to question number 18. Now with this question your exercise 4C and this chapter is also completed. Practice this chapter properly, and if you have any doubt you can comment down in the comment section. In next class we will start the next chapter. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.